Hello, I'm Tim Lewis, VP of Channel Sales for Nextivity. I'm excited to talk to you all about the Cel-Fi QUATRA line of enterprise cellular coverage solutions. So QUATRA is a hybrid active DAS. Now, what exactly does that mean? It's highly intelligent and it's digital. So it's designed around Nextivity's patented chipset. QUATRA is powerful with 100 dB of gain. It's flexible in that it can be installed off-air with a Yagi, or it can use a small cell as a backhaul. QUATRA is less expensive and it's easier to install than a traditional fiber DAS because QUATRA uses category cable and power over Ethernet. It's faster to deploy because QUATRA requires no retransmission agreements. And QUATRA is inexpensive to own and easy to manage because it's active and it's aware. It can change with the macro environment and can be remotely managed and controlled on the Cel-Fi wave management platform. It comes in 4 models: QUATRA 1000 for single carrier requirements with Verizon, AT&T, or T-Mobile; QUATRA 2000 for dual carrier requirements, Verizon, AT&T, or Sprint, T-Mobile; QUATRA 4000 for 4 carrier requirements. That's all 4 carriers. That's T-Mobile, Sprint, Verizon, AT&T, and that's available in Part 20 and Part 90. And finally, QUATRA Red for FirstNet and public safety. There are thousands of QUATRAs installed successfully throughout North America in numerous vertical markets across a broad range of name brand enterprise customers. And QUATRA is approved by and trusted by both the FCC and leading mobile network operators. For more information on Cel-Fi QUATRA, check out cel-fi.com. Thanks for